All that is needed of you to start making money on this website is your smartphone and good internet connection. Since this is settled, stay right now and watch me as I'm gonna be leaving no stone unturned. And if you are coming across this channel for the first time, you are welcome. My name is Samuel, and on this channel I make videos about making money online. So if this is what interests you, kindly hit that subscribe button right now and turn on the bell notification icon so that anytime I upload videos like this, YouTube is gonna notify you instantly. And also do well to like this video as you are watching. So to begin with this website, all you need to do is to click on the first link in the description section of this video, and once you click on that, you are going to be taken to this interface. So all you need to do is to tap on the workers tab. Once you tap on that, you are going to click on the green start work button. So once you click on that, you are going to be taken to another interface where you are going to input your registration details, and once you input that, click on register. Once you click on register, you are going to be taken to your dashboard, and once you are on your dashboard, all you need to do is to come over to this hamburger icon at the top left corner of your home screen. Once you tap on that, you are going to tap on your username on this website in order to add your social media account to start working on this website. Once you tap on that, it's going to take you to another interface where you're going to be adding your social media account. So as you can see on the screen right now, social account, just tap on that. Once you tap on that, it's going to bring out another interface for you where you're going to be inputting your social accounts. So as you can see on the screen right now, select a platform. So once you click on select a platform, you are going to choose the platform you want to add. So once you tap on that and you choose the platform you want to add, just tap new account. And once you click on new account, another interface is going to pop up where you're going to be creating a post using the verification code on your Facebook account. So this is the verification code which you are going to be using to create posts on your Facebook account. So once you create this post, you are going to screenshot the post, then you are going to upload the screenshot at this place right now. Then you are going to input your Facebook username and you are going to copy the link to your Facebook account. Then you drop all these details for them. So once you are done inputting all these details, all you need to do is to click on link account. And also it said ensure the username you submit has a profile picture and at least 5 posts. So in order for your account to be approved, you need to have a profile picture on your account and at least 5 posts. And once you are done adding your social media account, all you need to do is to come over to this hamburger icon once again and click on the task centers in order to view tasks which are available for you to perform and earn on this website. So once you click on task center, you will be taken to another interface where you'll be seeing tasks which are available for you to perform. As you can see on the screen, we have over 2,000 tasks to perform on this website, and these are tasks which you basically do every day without getting paid from them. Why not leverage these websites and start using it to make full cash for yourself? So once you've reached the end of a page, this is one of 20 pages, you can basically click on this arrow at the front of it to open the next page. So to perform task on this website, all you need to do is to tap on the task and you are going to be taken to another interface where you are going to be giving the task details. So as you can see on the screen right now, this is the task detail right now. So all you need to do is to read and understand this task details, and once you have understand it, you just need to click on this open link right now and you are going to be taken direct into the platform. Now once you click on the link and you perform the task, screenshot the task which you've performed, then you click on this next button, and once you click on that, you're going to be submitting your proof. Now the next thing is how to withdraw on this website. So to withdraw on this website, you just need to come over to the hamburger icon and click on wallet. So once you click on wallet, you are going to be taken to another interface where you are going to be setting your bank account. So right now you are just going to click on add account at the bottom of it right now. I've already added some accounts, so you just click on add another account. So Once you click on that, you are going to choose the bank account which you want to add. Then you input the bank account number. So once you put in that, you are going to click on add account, and immediately your account is going to be added on this website. Once you've input your bank account and you want to withdraw, just click on wallet, and once you click on wallet, you'll be taken to another interface where you're going to be requesting for payout. So once you tap on request for payout, another interface is going to pop up where you're going to be seeing your earning balance. So you just need to input your username, and you are going to input the amount which you want to withdraw. And as you can see on the screen, the minimum withdrawal here is just 1,000 naira. So once you are done with that, just click on proceed, and once your request is being processed, they are going to send your money into your bank account. That will be the end of the video. If you've gained value from this video, kindly hit that subscribe button right now and turn on the bell notification icon so that anytime I upload videos like this, YouTube is going to notify you instantly. Stay blessed. Bye for me, guys.